Did you know there's a simple, affordable, and accessible food that can transform your health in surprising ways? It can help with weight loss, reduce cholesterol, and even protect your heart. No, we're not talking about some miracle drug or magical formula. We're talking about the incredible eggplant. Few people truly understand the amazing benefits of this powerful food. And today, you're about to discover everything it can do for your health. Stay tuned, because the third benefit we'll mention is going to blow your mind. It might be exactly what you've been looking for. Eggplant isn't just another vegetable sitting on a grocery store shelf. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help detoxify the body, strengthen the immune system, and fight chronic inflammation, which is the root cause of many diseases. Moreover, its unique composition helps regulate bad cholesterol, protecting your heart and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Just imagine adding something this simple to your diet and reaping such impactful health benefits. And that's not all. Eggplant is also fantastic for weight loss. It's rich in fiber, keeping you full longer and helping you avoid those unnecessary snack cravings. But there's more. Recent studies have shown that regular consumption of eggplant can help prevent certain types of cancer, thanks to the bioactive compounds found in its skin and flesh. Can you see the potential here? A food so accessible, yet packed with benefits that can truly transform your quality of life. And we've only scratched the surface so far. Stick with me until the end of this video, because you'll learn exactly how to make the most of these benefits with practical ways to include eggplant in your routine. And as a bonus, I'll share a special recipe that's not only delicious, but also enhances all the nutrients in this superfood. Don't go anywhere. Your journey to better health could start right now.